है देखो पूरा ऐसा पकड़ लेना थोड़ी तक चल रहा है respected students, and today's our guest Suhasini madam. She is a lecturer in PG of this college. As you know that we are studying in a reputed college of Gujarat Government College. We are having so many facilities. So today we have decided to arrange a lecture for you about English accent. English accent means we have to talk English in the way how the Britishers are talking. English accent. What is the need of English? What is the importance of English? Why we need English as a language, as a communication language? So this is an opportunity. At the beginning, we thank our madam that she has spared a time for our Urdu medium students. She will interact with you. Kindly listen to her and ask some questions about how to be freely by talking in English. So this is an opportunity. I welcome Suhasini madam for his lecture.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Aslam sir, and I'm very glad to be here in your midst. And I'm Suhasini, as sir told. Respected sir, I take a privilege to talk with our students, and I'm very glad to teach Urdu medium student. Mostly every year, once in a year, I'll get this opportunity. And I thank to Aslam sir as well as previously our sir Abid Ali sir used to give such kind of opportunity to me, and I'm very glad to be here. Today we are going to learn something new. Yes, we have a same boring classes daily. We have to come to the college and we have to listen to our optional things, and today we are going to learn the importance of the English as well as we are going to learn the accents, how we have to pronounce the particular things in a particular way. Okay, let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you
We are always ready, ma'am.
Oh, thanks a lot that I got one answer from pupils. Yes? So, I'm very glad to be here, and are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy today?
Yes, ma'am. So much.
Yeah? Are you famished or hungry?
No, ma'am.
You're not famished? Okay. So, are you happy?
Yes, ma'am.
I want that young people should shout aloud. Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you
Yes,
happy?
ma'am.
Yes. Are you happy?
Happy, ma'am. Yes.
Then show your teeth now. Did you brush in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, lovely. You people brushed in the morning. I'm happy that you brushed in the morning and you are nicely giving a smile, wonderful smiles and wonderful people sitting in front of me and beside me. Yes, I'm very glad. So today we are going to learn something new about English. Now, how many of you know that English is important language?
Yes.
Do you think that English is important language?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
How
ma'am.
many of you say English is important language? How many? Is it important?
Very important,
Is
ma'am.
it important for you or only for me?
No, ma'am.
Because it's a universal language. What is it?
Universals.
Nowadays, whenever you go out, wherever you go out, we need some English to speak out with or to interact with the people. Yes or no? So
Yes,
if
ma'am.
we are going to interact with the people in English, then only they are going to give what? Respect. What they are going to give it? Respect. Not in order to take a respect from the people, but to know about something is called knowledge. To know about something is called
Knowledge.
Why we are coming to the schools and colleges? Because to acquire knowledge. To acquire?
Knowledge.
Acquire knowledge means? Yes. We are learning something. Yes or no? Till
Yes, ma'am.
the end of our life, we are the learners. Till the end of our life, we are
Knowledge.
learners. Yes or no? We have to learn knowledge, and then we have to put our wisdom in that, and then we have to lead our life. Yes or no?
Yes,
So, tomorrow if at all you want to work outside, you need one medium of speaking or medium of language. That is called English language. English
Language.
Suppose you wanted to become uh, commerce lecturer. Tomorrow total institutions are going to become like people, medium of instruction is going to be in English only. Then how we are going to teach to that people if at all you wanted to become a lecturers? Yes or no? Compulsory you have to learn.
Yes, ma'am.
Cause of you people we learn Hindi. Yes or no? Sometimes suppose you don't know a particular word, then we can translate in Hindi. Because Hindi is the national language, everyone should know that Hindi. We are Indians and we have to learn our national language. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
आपसे बहुत अच्छा बात करती मैं. Yes? Because if we love particular language, automatically we are going to like. Yes or no? Automatically
Yes.
we are going to learn. Yes, so such kind of wonderful language we have that is called English language. Nowadays in the market, wherever you go, whatever we are gonna do, we need a particular medium of interaction that is called communication skills. That is called
Communication skills.
what is meant by communication skills? Interaction, giving an ideas and taking ideas of others. That medium is called, that mode is called communication skills. Right, sir? That may be in English, that may be in Telugu, that may be in Urdu, that may be in Hindi.
Hindi.
These all things are called communicating with the people. We
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to know how to communicate with the people nowadays. We have to know English. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree? Yes? Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you should agree because it's important. But we are coming to the college and you people have an English language period also. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And how many people are very good at English?
No, ma'am.
Why no? Why no? Because we have some phobia that in our life. And
Yes, ma'am.
English is hard. English is tough. I can't speak. Yes or no? You people have such kind of phobia, and whenever you are going to see the English lecturers, you people are going to think that, oh, they are English lecturers. Yes sir, they are speaking English. Oh. क्या सोचते हैं जैसे कि ऊपर से नीचे टपके, right? So people are going to think like that. Yes or no?
Yes,
You should
ma'am.
not think like that. You have to change your mind. You have to change your mindset because you can't escape from this language. You can't escape from this language. तुम ये language से भाग नहीं सकते. कब किधर भी कौन से के मोड में ये तुमको मिलता तुम बात करना पड़ता. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why not now? It's the time to learn something. Degree period is a period of adolescent where you are going to have lots of creativity. So use that creativity in studies, not extracurricular activities. Yes or no?
Yes.
Use that particular knowledge in studies so that you can acquire so much knowledge as much as you can. Yes, such kind of wonderful opportunity sir has given to me, and not only for the cause of this one class you can't acquire many things. Yes or no? A
Yes,
few
ma'am.
things you can get an idea that what is meant by in English and why it is important in our life and what kind of accents we are. So, are you first year students? Second year students or first year students, both are there. Yeah. In first year student we have learned consonant sounds, monophthongs, consonant sounds and diphthongs. How many people know that monophthongs and consonant sounds and diphthongs? You people have same textbooks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
English for us.
So, you people should know monophthongs, consonants and diphthongs. Today I am going to show you how to pronounce the way. Okay. So, I am going to write one thing on the board, and you have to identify whether you know or not. Just identify. If you know the things, come and speak out. If you don't know the things, let's learn. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. Shall I write
Yes, ma'am.
something on board? Yes. You already studied this, and that's why I'm daring to write something on it. It's not working. Okay, so first and foremost thing, we'll go for why English is important. First we have to think about it, and then we'll go for that. Okay. Meanwhile, sir will bring that sketch or marker so that we can use it. Okay. So now tell me how many of you wanted to learn English?
Ma'am, I don't want to learn English because cultural and regional language is very important.
Stand up and talk.
If you get protect, definitely you will speak on that regional language.
What you are speaking now?
English language. Definitely it is English language.
See, I love my mother tongue and regional language. As I told you that our regional language compulsory we have to learn. Yes, but nowadays the medium is gonna be changed tomorrow. Tomorrow we can't work in Urdu, we can't work in Telugu as well. Why? Because when you see the Telugu medium people and Urdu medium people when compared to English medium people, the strength is becoming less day by day, year by year. Why year by year, day by day they are becoming less? Because they know the quality, they know the importance of English tomorrow. As every teach you. Yes or no? So we can't stick to knowing the new things is knowledge. Stick to full my mother tongue all the day long. I didn't do any new thing. Yes or no? Did I do? Did I do anything new? No. If I'm gonna speak in Hindi, people are gonna say, "Oh, Telugu girl is speaking Hindi." Yes, I'm gonna get a popularity. Then after that, if at all I'm going to speak in English, people are going to think that, oh, she knows Telugu, Hindi and as well as English. That's good to know new things. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. So we are going to see the people that when I learned Hindi, first of all I fascinated after seeing a Jodha Akbar serial. So I was like very happy to see the Jodha Akbar because I wanted to learn Urdu. I wanted to learn Urdu. But what happened to me, because I can't catch that Urdu words. Because it's a regional language and it's not my language. Then also I wanted to learn something. Why I wanted to learn something? Because I wanted to acquire the knowledge of Urdu. I know Takliya. Yes, I know Takliya. I know Walid Saab. Yes, when though I'm an English teacher, I'm learning Urdu and Hindi, then what happened to you? Yes or no? It's a matter of learning something. We till the end of our life, we are learners. We are learners. कुछ तो भी एक सीखना पड़ता. सीखते ही जाओ. सीखने के लिए end नहीं है. ऐसा no, we don't have end for learning. So you have to learn. You must learn. ऐसा no. Don't say that only we are going to stick to our regional language. No. No one said and no book is saying that you have to talk only in your own language. Is it our holy books are saying that you have to talk only in our language? No book is saying like that. So why you are sticking to that thing? Yes or no? Yes. So
What happening now is that
what?
if we are ruling as Britishers,
No.
every person knows his.
You know one thing, Britishers only started this education. We are educating cause of Britishers, not cause of Indians. Yes or no, I'm right, sir? Yes. Cause of Britishers only, institutions were introduced in this India, in our India. Yes or no? So we are blessed that Britishers has given one thing to us. ऐसा no. It doesn't mean that if at all we are going to speak in English that means we are Britishes. No, I'm not a Britisher here. I'm an Indian. Proud to be say that I'm an Indian. Yes, though I'm an Indian, I could learn British language. They can't learn my language. Then I'm great or not?
Yes.
Yes, I'm great. I'll feel privileged to learn new things. Yes or no? It's up to our mindset, what we are thinking in our mind. Yes or no? Take out all the negativity from your mind. Yes or no? Think positive. Okay, don't stick to your mindset. Change your mindset. Change your mindset. You are in a new trend. You are in a new trend. You are not a year-old senior citizens. Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Don't behave like a senior citizens here. Yes or no? Senior citizens have many things to say. Yes or no? Why should I do that? Why should I do this? Because they have experienced all the things. You did not experience a little thing also. Yes or no? Just you have started your life. Yes or no? Not yet. This is not even life. Yes or no? When days to come, you are going to learn many things. Yes or no? So here we have to learn something. Here we have to learn something. Your sirs, your madams, they are dedicatingly, they are working for your sake. Yes or no? They are totally dedicated for your growth. Yes or no? So that's why they arrange this program. Yes or no? So when they arrange this program, utilize it. Yes or no? Utilize it. Don't be or don't stick to your way of thinking. Yes or no? Come out from that particular box. Yes, come out from that box and listen and know the new things. Yes or no? Yes. That is the important. So when I love my mother tongue so much, right? My mother tongue is Telugu. Yes, I'm a Telugu girl.
Yes.
I'm a Christian and I'm a Telugu girl. Right? My mother tongue is Telugu. Usually my schooling is from CSI and Kakatiya. And I did my college in Kakatiya. And after that, what happened? I got seat in B.Ed. You know, B.Ed, Bachelor Degree of Education. I got B.Ed seat and I wanted to go to Hyderabad actually. I don't want to do B.Ed here. I don't want to study here. So I chosen my studies, like I wanted to take admission in St. Anne's College of Education. And I have taken admission over there. Okay, I have taken admission over there. When I entered into a college, then I got to know that the English important. Means, oh, how much we have such kind of, means how much we need this language tomorrow. Yes or no? So I never used to speak a single sentence apart from my language. I used to be like that. Degree final year तक मैं एक word भी use नहीं करी. English word. मैं आपकी तरह ही रहती थी. आपकी तरह रहती थी. क्यों मैं दूसरे लैंग्वेज बात करना, मैं अपने लैंग्वेज बात करना बोल के सोचती थी. But when I entered into that particular college, then I came to know many people insulting me daily. They are very good at English. I am not. I used to speak a broken English, and people are used to laugh at me. So 6 months I cried a lot. 6 months I cried a lot cause of one language. That is called English language. Cause of one language that is called
English language.
And after that, I talked to my mother that no mother, I don't want her to study over here because I don't know English and I can't cope up here. Please change my college. I don't want to study. I wanted to discontinue my B.Ed. I wanted to come back to Nizamabad. So my mother told me that no way. You have to show what you are. You have to show what you are. If at all I have given birth to you, then prove it. She said, go and prove it. Prove it and say show to this world that you are not less than anyone. You are not less than anyone. She counseled me, and I went to that college, and again I started my new life there. In 3 months I learned this language. In 3 months I learned this language. Now I'm a language teacher. Now I'm language teacher. I never believed on my eyes that I become a teacher now. Wow. Yes or no? I used to think when I used to be a student, I used to think that cash में कब बोलती है ऐसा, right? मैं अब बोल रही, ऐसा no? Cause I learned something new. I learned something new. Actually, I wanted to become a businesswoman. I did my BCom computers. Okay, I did my BCom computers. I wanted to become a businesswoman, but now I become a teacher, and I'm producing every year many products as a business tycoons. Yes or no? So God has given us such wonderful opportunity to me to teach many people like that. Yes or no? Many students of mine, they are what? Teachers. They are becoming doctors. They are becoming what? Business tycoons. They are becoming different things. Yes or no? I'm privileged to say that I'm the teacher of them. Yes or no? Yes. Total life has been changed because of one language, that is called English language. Yes or no? So now you know how much important it is. Yes or no? It's very important. Tomorrow, if at all you wanted to work outside, you need English. If you wanted to become a lecturer, you need English. Suppose you wanted to give an interview in an MNC company, you need English. Yes or no? You wanted to work outside anywhere as a little teacher also, you need what? English. Yes or no? So English is very much prominent in our country. Now today it has a big English teachers are like hotcakes. Yes or no? So selling like anything, right? So we should be like that tomorrow. I'm not saying that you have to become an English teacher. I'm saying that just learn English. Just you have to know communication, a little communication, where you are going to cope up. Yes or no? How are you? What you are doing? Are you fine? I'm fine, thank you. Yes, you know this kind of things are very important. Yes or no? So please give me a piece of chalk. Yes, it's not a chalk piece. It's called piece of chalk. Yes or no? So little things we have to know. Now we are going to keep a different hanging pieces in our home or halls. Yes or no? We are going to have a different hanging pieces. What we are going to call it as? Chandelier. What is that? Chandelier. We have to know at least that. Little things. चलो उतने दूर की बात नहीं है, खाने की चीज मालूम रहना. ऐसा नो. So खाने की चीज में जो daily we are going to eat a उपमा. लिखो फिर उपमा को उपमा के जैसे लिखो. उर्दू में लिखो उपमा. क्यों UPMA क्यों लिखते? ऐसा नो. It's easy to write. Yes or no? Yes. Easy to write, easy to say. But upma is nothing but it's called semolina. Yeah. What is it? Semolina. Yes. So we have to learn semolina. बोलने में कितना अच्छा है, सुनने में भी अच्छा है. When बोलने में अच्छा है, सुनने में अच्छा है, सीखने में क्या खराब है? ऐसा no? सीखो, right? Semolina. So we have to learn like that. New words. ऐसा no? Now ये हमारे क्या बोलते हैं, ये हमारे क्या जरूरत है मैडम, सीख के क्या करते खाते अंदर चले जाना. People are going to think like that. Yes. If you people are thinking like that or not? Yes. थोड़े लोग
Yes.
सोच रहे वैसा? उपमा नहीं देते, उपमा बनने के बाद उपमा बोलते, सेमोलिना बोले तो देते. कौन भी जाके सुपरमार्केट में पूछो देते. तुम्हारे नहीं मालूम, उनको मालूम है. So that is a big deal. ऐसा ना हो. We are going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
rava. Yes.
No, ma'am.
We are
Semolina.
semolina. Many people know. How many people know that upma rava is a semolina? This girl know. Yes, you know. No, you don't know. You have to know that. Yes, huh? You also know. Very good. That's very good that you people know a little things. Aisa?
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
To know, to learn, how many people wanted to learn that? English. Simple English.
Yes.
Just small littles.
Little English. Little. छोटा. थोड़ा.
थोड़ा बोल लेते हैं
करने
मैम.
के लिए. Okay. Right. So मैं पूछती तुम बोलना. Okay. Right. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Thanks, Guno.
My name is
Dorsum.
Fatima Papi.
Well,
Fatima. Nice to meet you, Fatima. I'm Suhasini. Simple. What we did? It's called introduction. It's called a simple introduction. Yes or no? Yeah. Now.
come
What
on,
you're
start.
studying? What you're studying? BA first year. I'm also BA first year teacher. Yeah. Nice to meet you, dear. Sit down.
Thank you, Guno.
Yes. So this is a little thing. ये बड़ी बात है. कुछ तो भी तुम्हारे रीजन लैंग्वेज चले जा रहा है कि
No ma'am.
नहीं जा रहा. We are occupied.
Come on, start.
I want to say one thing is that actually
Speak. If at all you don't love English, don't speak.
रीजनल लैंग्वेज पे वर्ड अंग्रेजी तो ये वो खत्म हो जाएगी ना.
क्या खत्म हो जाएंगी?
रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस
क्यों खत्म हो जाते? तुम्हारे पास सिक्योर नहीं है, तुम्हारे ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है, तो ऐसे तुम खत्म क्यों कर देते?
लैंग्वेज सीखना पड़ेगा ना. ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज सीखना पड़ेगा.
ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ही इंग्लिश है, वही बोल रही हूँ.
Market demand. Today we are having a demand of English. That's why we are.
So we have a demand. The official language is a English language. Casual language, what we are speaking is a casual language. Daily we are speaking, right? घर में क्या घर में इंग्लिश थोड़ी ही बात करते हैं. Mother tongue. ऐसा no. So
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
speaking mother tongue. We are speaking our regional language. Then how come you are going to say that regional language is vanishing day by day? No, it's never going to vanish. Whenever you know the three languages, it's never going to vanish. Suppose my mother tongue is Telugu. We never going to use the English in our home. घर में थोड़ी बात करते हैं यार, इंग्लिश में भी.
मार्केट में बात करते हैं.
इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं. पर
नहीं,
सिस्टर, I
ma'am.
wanted to talk to you. सिस्टर ने नहीं तो మాట్లాడాలి అని అనుకుంటున్నా. రీజనల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ कहाँ चले गए फिर? है वैसे है.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Don't ever argue in a wrong way. Yes or no? Don't argue in a wrong way.
English.
Yeah. English is a universal language. That's good.
चाइनीज
You're
चाइना वाले जो है ना चाइनीज लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं.
English में बोलो. Come on.
पाकिस्तानी तो इंडियन है.
His argument is that he loves his mother tongue,
yeah.
but he does not want to speak in English. But we are saying that English is a market demand.
Yes sir.
Chinese are speaking in English because they have to survive in the American market.
Yeah.
Isha, you have to change your mindset.
Yeah, you have to change your mindset. Here we are not arguing that English is good, Hindi is good, that is good and this is good. We are saying that we need English tomorrow in the market compulsory. Aisa no. So that's why we are here to learn a few things about English. Now people are going to say from Chote, I'm not commenting on you, but our mother tongue influence is going to be on our language. Now example, छोटे थे अम्मी और अब्बा बोलते थे, क्या बोलते थे? स्कूल को गए, क्या बोलते? स्कूल बोलते, मगर वो क्या है? स्कूल है. ऐसा नो. So
Yes.
स्कूल बोले तो समझ में आता वो मुस्लिम है. ऐसा नो. हम बोलते थे छोटे तब निजामाबाद बोलते थे. निजामाबाद बोले तो ज वर्ड नहीं रहता. आई में ज वर्ड नहीं रहता. सो जा वर्ड लिखते, उसको जा बोलते, मगर उसको निजामाबाद बोलते. निजामाबाद बोलते, निजाम बोलते, निजाम नहीं बोलते.
Yes ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes ma'am.
Yes. So we have to learn English for certain things compulsory. Yes or no? So these are the differences in accent. Accent वैसा रहता, एक एक accent से पता चलता वो कौन से mother tongue है बोल के, ऐसा नो. So ये क्या है, universal language है, इसलिए universal language सबको आना चाहिए. Okay, because people are giving more importance to now English, so we have to go along with the trend. ऐसा नो, we are in trend or not? Are you senior citizens? Are you this generation people?
Yes, ma'am.
This generation people, we have to learn. I'll teach from many. I'm teaching from many years, like 7 years passed away, and then also I saw many people in my life who are in big stages. Aisa no? Yes, they have secured much marks. They have secured. They are very good at English as well as they are very good at regional languages. Though they are very good at in regional languages, they compulsory learned one language that is called universal language, that is called English language. You people doesn't know now. When you go out after these 3 years, you'll come to know what importance we have this language for this language. Aisa no? So compulsory. What you have to do means you have to learn a few things, not everything, a few things to survive in this world. Aisa no? Like introducing ourselves. First and foremost thing, every teacher is going to ask you one thing, that introduce yourself. We are going to say, my name is Jansu Hasni, I have completed so and so, my father is so and so, my mother is so and so. We are going to say like that. Yes or no? From childhood onwards we learn that or not? Yes, it's a simple thing. Wherever you go, we have to speak. Yes, so little English. Yes, are you ready to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? So I'm going to show you one thing. Now tell me what it is, okay? Second year students, raise your hands.
Sure.
Second year students, raise your hand.
Most of them second year.
You have completed first year, right? So in that first year we have completed consonant sounds. We have completed consonant sounds. We have 44 sounds in English. Yes or no? So we divided into consonant, diphthongs and monophthongs. Okay, now tell me, what is it? You. Yeah. Did you pass in English?
Yes.
Why? Stand up. Now I want this. See, you have already read this. Yes? This is called va, this is called na. It's called It's called oven.
Oven.
What's that? It's not oven, it's oven.
Oven.
What is that?
Oven.
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 Okay. One more thing.
Oven.
What we are going to call it as?
Onion.
It's not onion, it's called onion.
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 Onion. Example, this phonic script is like this.
We have to pronounce it in British way.
Okay. This is called onion. It's not ja, it's ya.
Yeah.
It's ya. Consonant sounds पढ़े तो ये आता. First year हो गया अपने को नहीं आता.
नहीं मैम वो जरा आता बोल के नहीं पढ़ा. I got 89.
So it's not hard. Actually, if you know this phonic language, then only you can pronounce in a right way.
Phonic. Sound of
It's
that
called
word.
sounds, phonic language. Okay, phonics transcription. Okay, when we know the phonics transcription, then only we can pronounce it in a right way. In a right way. Now, another word I'm going to say that. It's a very good word. Many people love it. Called It's called chocolate.
Chocolate.
It's not chocolate, it's chocolate.
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 Fond of chocolates. Yes. Maybe you are going to get lost, but it's a right pronunciation.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Chocolate.
a right pronunciation. To survive in this world, we should have a correct pronunciation. हिंदी में अगर वालिद साहब को मैं वालिद नहीं बोली कुछ तो भी और बोली गलत हो जाता. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Change the meaning. So same like that, when we are speaking
Chocolate.
something or when we are speaking in other language, we have to respect that language. I'm going to respect Hindi language so much because I have a lots of friends as a Muslims. I never deny that, oh, why should I learn this? No. I'm not even Britishers to deny that, oh, I should not learn English. No. I learned it because I have to survive in this world. Cause of English, I'm earning something and I'm eating something. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You know,
ma'am.
whatever I'm wearing, cause of English I'm wearing. Whatever I have with me, like that may be, that may be my bike, that may be anything. Cause of this particular language, I'm here in front of you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now talk about Aslam Farooqi sir. He is a Urdu lecturer. Yes or no? He is a very good Urdu lecturer. Now he also wanted to learn English and he will speak also. He will speak also. Yes or no? Just now he started in English only. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why he started in English? Why he want that people you should learn English? Because he know what is the market value. He knows the market value. That's why he introduced me here. Otherwise, why I'll come here? Yes or no? What is the cost to come over here? Yes or no? So
Yes,
he
ma'am.
knows very well. Sir knows very well that we have a good value to in the market cause of this language. So that's why he called me. Yes or no? We have to learn it. Okay. So it's a very it's a complicated thing for you. I'm not going for this complicated things. Just we'll learn our introduction part first. Okay. How many wanted to learn this? किसको सीखना बोल के है?
Raise your hands.
Raise your
Yes.
hands.
All of us.
Oh, right. I'm going to write 8 points, okay, for our introduction, and you have to follow it. Okay? First and foremost thing, addressing.
Follow it.
Introducing oneself. Okay? Addressing. Second one, name.
Qualification. Name and qualification.
These are the
Family
basic
background. Okay? And next one.
Family. Playground.
Family background. Hobbies.
Hobbies. Strengths.
Strengths and weaknesses. Okay?
Come on, note down yourself. From tomorrow onwards, you have to learn Urdu by English.
It's a closing statement. Now, first and foremost thing, addressing yourself. Addressing means good afternoon everyone. I'm very glad to be here in your midst. Okay, it's called addressing the people. Just now I addressed us, sir. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity, sir, that you have given a platform where I can teach my students. Yes, sir. So thank you,
Yes,
Aslam, sir. This is called addressing Aslam, sir. Yes, sir. So now next one, name and qualification. I'm Ansu Hasni. I have completed my PG and B.Ed from Giraj Government College and St. Anne's College of Education. Secondary batch.
Ask somebody to reply in the same.
Okay, same like that. What you have to do? I'm gonna say the systematic way. Then you have to answer me. Yes. So who can give that?
Hafiz, someone start. My name is. I am.
Hello ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm Hafiz from BA final year and my family background is my father is a shopkeeper and my hobbies are playing cricket and acting in dramas and my short-term goal is to achieve more and more marks in my IP examinations, in my annual examinations.
Okay.
And my long-term goal is I want to become an IS officer.
Thank you for giving this
Thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity to Aslam sir and to Sohani ma'am and Abhi.
Thank you. Well then, that's called introduction. That is an introduction. Who is gonna say next?
From girls, anybody?
From girls.
We have English medium girls also. Daniel. Come on.
People are going to look at the others. Why?
Sir.
Tomorrow they are going to work for you. Work for you? Are you saying that she is better than me? Then तुम क्या बोल रहे मालूम? ऐसा ऐसा देखते क्यों देखते बोल दो मेरे से ज्यादा वो बोल सकती होंगी खुद को क्या कर रहे कमजोर बना ले रहे ऐसा नो that is a bad idea ऐसा नो bad quality of the people. Yes, don't wait for chance. ऐसा नो when opportunity is coming to you, you have to grab it. You have to grab it. पकड़ लेना ऐसा किसी को देना नहीं वो chance.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Come
ma'am.
on, stand up and say your introduction of anyone.
Introduction.
Come on, from girls. बोलो friend. नाम बोलो कम से इंग्लिश में पहला जुमला बोलो. I am. बोलते अरे
Hello ma'am, my name is Neha Parveen, BA first year from Kriya. My family background is my father is a driver, auto driver, and I is just soaking in first year.
Okay.
And my third goal is marks in scoring,
Scoring good marks in your degree.
Say
Okay.
loudly.
Thank you ma'am for giving me opportunity. Thank you.
Okay, very good. That's a good start. Yes, sir.
Yes.
It's a good
Having
start.
talent.
You people have a lots of talent, but you are suppressing your talents. Why? Why? Cause it's not your language.
There
Don't
is
be like
shyness and how they will break the shyness.
Yeah, you have to break your shyness. How you have to break your shyness? Yes. First and foremost thing, today we are going to learn about DIIE. D triple IE. D means determination. D means determination. Do you think what is meant by determination? Now tell me what is meant by determination. जज्बा रहना अंदर कुछ तो भी हासिल करने के लिए क्या रहना
जज्बा रहना.
आपसे अच्छा बोल लेती हूँ मैं हिंदी राइट सो you should have a determination to do something, to achieve something first. जज्बा कब रहता है जब तुम्हारा उसके सीखने के लिए चाह रहना. ऐसा नो when you are going to have a such kind of mentality, then only you are going to achieve something. Suppose tomorrow is a freshers party. Suppose. Yes or no? I'm gonna say that tomorrow you are going to conduct, or you are going to take care of the freshers party. What you are going to do? You should have a determination to do such kind of freshers party successfully. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If at all you don't have a determination to do something, you're never gonna do anything.
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? So you are here. Why here you are? Because to learn something, you have a determination in your mind that yes, I can study well. Yes, I can
Study.
well. Yes, I am going to achieve something. Yes, I am going to do that and do this. You are going to have the determination or not? That's why you are here. So same like that, to learn something, to talk to someone, we need what? The determination. Suppose I wanted to talk to you today. I should have a determination. I should love to talk to you. Yes or no? Then only I can come and then only I can speak. Now I am speaking. That means I love to talk to you. Yes or no? Yes. That is called determination. Next one, impress. Next one,
Impress.
So when we are speaking to someone else, we have to impress all the people. We have to impress all the people. That's why your eyes are looking at me. That means I impressed you. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You should have a connectivity with the people. You should have a connectivity with the people. When you are going to get such kind of connectivity, when you are going to use your eyes. Yes or no? I'm using my eyes or not? I'm looking only to this girl?
No, ma'am.
I'm looking to all of you. Why? Because this is called a gesture. This is called eye contact. This is called
Eye contact.
through eye contact. We can impress many people. We can impress many people. Our eyes have such kind of power. Yes or no? It has such kind of power. Even God has blessed you with a beautiful eyes. Yes or no? All people have beautiful eyes?
Yes.
Yeah, sure? Right. So you have beautiful eyes. So that's why you have to impress the people when you are on dance. Okay. And next one is information. When you have a determination, when you have an impression, then you are going to inform. Inform means where whatever is there in our mind, when people are looking at, we are going to inform.
Yes,
Yes or no? Then you are going to get what? Strength to speak something else. Yes or no? That may be Hindi, that may be a Urdu, that may be anything. To come on the days and speaking something else, it needs what? Guts. It needs what? Guts. To take out that, to take out that particular shy and so that's why then when I told about my experience, one student clapped at me. That means I inspired you. One single person inspired by me, then I am good.
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Our target is that. Our target is
That.
So we have to inspire others while we are speaking. When Aslam sir is speaking, all people are going to inspire or not?
Yes.
When Suhasini madam is speaking about English, now we are inspiring or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'm good at English. Yes or no? So,
Yes.
Next thing called entertainment. Entertainment is nothing but are you bored? Are this classes boring?
No,
Is
ma'am.
this classes boring?
No, ma'am.
Then I'm entertaining you. Yes or no?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
Yes. What I'm doing here, I'm connecting with you people. I'm connected already. I'm connected with you. You are connected with me. That's why you are listening to me. That's why I'm speaking to you. Yes or no? So that's why every person should have this quality. 5 qualities. D-triple-I-E. D-triple-I-E. One is determination. Second one, impress. Third one,
Information.
Information. And
Entertainment.
inspiring and
Entertainment.
and
Entertainment.
If you learn this funda in your life, you're never gonna get shy. You're never gonna feel shy. Okay. Now I'm gonna ask you who you are. Who are you? I did not ask your name. I did not ask your name.
We are all Giraj College students.
How I know that you are Giraj College students? Do you have an identity? Can you say who are you? Question mark. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
What is who are you is nothing but we should know our abilities. We should know our abilities. We should know what we are. We should know what we are. I'm not talking about your name. I'm not talking about your class. I'm not talking about you are a student or not. No. I'm asking you, who are you? No. I did not ask you what is your nationality. Yes or no? There's a lots of things. Right? आप कौन है बोल के पूछ रहे. आप कौन है? स्टूडेंट. सच्ची? बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट हैं. आपका क्या है?
कुछ स्टेटस रहना.
What is your status? Now tell me.
I'm a sports girl.
Huh?
She is having identity, sports.
She is a sports girl. What kind of sport you are going to play?
Wushu sports. Wushu sports.
2:30.
So that means she is good at sports. She had an identity. What about you? What about you? It's a talent. It's a skill. Yes,
Yes,
or no? So we need what? Skills. We need what?
Skills.
Skills. Language is also it is an skill. Yes or no? So nowadays people are not giving importance to the marks, how much you are getting 75, 85, 95%, but they are seeing that whether you are skilled person or not. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you skilled person? Question yourself. When you are going to get that question, when you are going to think about your future, you are going to get that question. That means you are not thinking about your future. Have a specific goals. You people have goal, yes or no? But specifics. People are going to say that I wanted to become a bank manager. What kind of kind of banking you are going to do it? Yes or no? You wanted to become a bank manager of what? SBI, SBH, or what kind of bank manager do you do a bank job? What kind of bank job? In bank, we are going to have an attenders, peons, everyone is there. So what kind of bank job you are going to do? Do you have a specific goal? Do you have specific goal? No. Then when you are going to have a specific goal, then have a specific goal. Okay? आज क्या सीखे? एक introduction सीखे. Next specific goal रहना सीखना. Yes? और English का अहमियत क्या है? Market में.
Importance of English.
Yes, you have to speak in
English.
वो डर जाने के लिए क्या करना? Daily you have to stand in front of the mirror. Daily you have to stand in front of the mirror. कौन से भी language सीखो, front of the mirror you have to learn. Yes or no? जाओ front of the mirror में जाके बात करो. 1 minute बात करो. I can write it. You can't speak with yourself. Why? Because you are going to laugh at yourself first. When you are going to laugh at yourself, then other person who are listening to you, how they are going to feel? Yes or no? Yes. First we have to know what we are. First we have to know what we have. You have to know how much strength you have. है ना? तुमको कितना तुम कितना क्या कर सकते तुमको मालूम रहना. ऐसा ना? So कब मालूम रहता? जब तुम पहचानते.
Yes, ma'am.
When you are going to know about yourself, then only you are going to do such kind of miraculous things. ऐसा no. So पहले क्या करना? जाके आईने में बात करो. 1 minute बात करे ना, तब तुम्हारा shyness चले जाता. What? Shyness चले जाता. ये shy नहीं रहता. रोज बात करते फिर. Daily are you going to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Today onwards,
I will do.
Okay, you will have fun, right? And next thing, to learn English language, we need not do anything much. What you have to do means write diary daily.
Oh, ये
डायरी, छोटा डायरी, एक बुक रख लो, डायरी लिखो. क्या लिखो बोल तो? Just write what you have done from morning to evening. That's it. No need of writing your personals. Personals नहीं लिखना उसमें. क्या लिखना? सुबह I wake up in the morning, so and so time. Okay. So what I did, I dressed. Okay. Then I dressed up. Okay. And I went to the college. Yes. So little sentences. First day
Okay,
you
ma'am.
have to write, second day like that, 1 month you have to write, and don't read it. Okay, after 1 month, read now. Yes, you can see the change. You can see the change. Like that also you can what? Learn English. And next thing is, everyone should have a what? Advanced Learner Dictionary. Advanced Oxford Learner
Dictionary.
Where we are going to learn vocabulary. Vocabulary means words.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
are going to learn. Daily person should learn 2 or 3 words compulsory and its meaning. So when we know the words, then automatically we can frame a sentences. छोटे तब नहीं सीखे. Now mobile phone is on table. सीखे नहीं है. On the table. Yes or not? Duster
Yes.
is on the table. सीखे नहीं सीखे. छोटे तब ABC नहीं सीखे.
सीखे.
A for apple, B for ball.
Ball.
A for apple, A for aeroplane, A for axe, A for ant. सीखे नहीं. So एक बच्चा LKG का बच्चा 26 into 4 104 वर्ड्स बोल सकता. तुम कितने वर्ड्स बोल सकते? क्वेश्चन मार्क. हिंदी में भी मैं सब लैंग्वेजेस बोल रही. ऐसा नो.
Yes, ma'am.
हिंदी में भी सीखो, कौन से भी सीखो. 104 तुम लिख सकते. आप लिखो बोले तो क्या लिखते मालूम? तुम्हारे हैसियत से नहीं लिखते. क्या हैसियत से लिखते? LKG हैसियत से लिखते. सैट मैट कैट लिखते. अगर तुम्हारे को टेस्ट रखे एस आर नो, तो अपना स्टैंडर्ड किधर है?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to know our standards. Yes or no? What I am saying is not a vain thing here. You have to think about it. Yes or no? You have to think about it. Think the importance what we have outside. Yes or no? And next thing is that how to learn English means, first and foremost thing, you have to speak in front of the mirror. Second, read the diary. Write the diary. And third one, refer learner's dictionary. And fourth one is, what you have to do means, you have to listen. Daily you have to listen.
English.
Listen BBC News. Yes. Listen some some important news on television. Some, if at all you are not going to watch television, you have YouTube and so you can go with. No madam, we don't have such kind of facilities also. Then you go and read something. Read louder and listen. Read louder and listen. Now, is it capital letters are generally used in the beginning of sentence. Capital letters. I'm reading loud, I'm listening. I'm reading loud, I'm listening. So what I'm learning here? I'm learning sentences. I'm learning how to pronounce it in a right way. Yes or no? These are the little things we have to do to know a better English. Yes? So, are you happy?
Yes,
Have
yes,
you learned
ma'am.
some few things? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity, and I thank Aslam sir that you have given me such a good platform, sir, where I can prove myself.
Now,
Thank you.
this is an opportunity for you to say thank to the madam.
Yes.
At least 1 or 2 students have to come here and say something in English. I invite Nisa to say something and thank madam. Come here.
I should come.
No. Well,
First of all, good evening all of you. Thanks ma'am for your opportunity in English. And what I tell ma'am,
yes.
मैम लाइफ का
बोलो उर्दू में बोलता
उर्दू में सबसे बेस्ट जो चीज़ है मैम इंग्लिश में ही है. अब हम स्पोर्ट्स में हैं, कहाँ पर भी अलग अलग कंट्रीज अलग अलग स्टेट्स में जाते हैं, इंग्लिश में ही अगर कन्वर्सेशन आया तो ही
Okay.
नहीं तो अगले वाला इंसर्ट कर देता अगर हम इंग्लिश में बात नहीं करें तो. थैंक
Okay.
यू मैम,
Very good.
आप जो हमको बोले.
Was her valuable time for sake of us. Now we understood about the importance of English and the methodology to teach the English, and she also talked about how to communicate with each other, and instead of all things, ma'am also give us a motivation